Hi everyone, welcome back. My name is Vivek and today we are going to talk about a sensor which is called a RGB sensor. In simple terms, RGB stands for red, green and blue. So a sensor which will change its value or change its color based on the value we supply. Okay, so we'll quickly see the RGB sensor which I have. I'll show you the sensor. This has got 4 pins. I have to detach the wires, but nevertheless, if you can see it, okay. So this I have a 4 pins. Okay. If I can read it, I have red, green, and blue. Okay, over here, and I have a common cathode. Okay. So you guys know anode and cathode in a diode, right? So this is a common cathode. So it's basically that a negative thing that will negative voltage, negative charge, and that will go to my ground, right? And then I have 3 pins, which is basically a blue one, a green one, and I don't have a red one, so I have used a yellow one over here, right? uh, for this demonstration purpose, right? So it is fairly simple, if you can see. Okay, it is said RGB and minus, so that is what I have connected over the pin. What I have done over this in my Arduino board, I have connected the red one to pin number 11. Okay, the blue one is connected to pin number 10. Okay, and the green is connected to pin number 9. Okay, and then this is one of them is the ground one. Okay, so this is a simple circuit diagram. I hope you guys can see it. Okay, just let me push it. So this is how the connection diagram will look like. Okay. So let's move on. Why I would like to show you my code. So this is my code. So what I have done over here is same thing what I have been saying. I have my red pin, okay, so which is a 11. So the output from my RGB sensor of 11 goes to a red pin, which is a pin number 11. Then the blue one goes on a pin number 10 and green one goes to on a pin number 9. What we are trying to do over here is we are generating a value. So it ranges from 255 to 0, and that is what we will be getting it. We will be navigating it. Okay, depending on the colors. So if you can see over here, so I have a 11, so I start on a 11, which is I'll start writing 255, right? And when it is a 255 on pin number 11, that it should be on a red pin. On pin number 10 it is 254. Okay, so basically a blue pin, right? Which is a pin number 10, right? And then I have a green pin which is 9, and then it basically 128 minus 255. So that is what it will start with, a negative value or a 0 value. Okay. What I'm also trying to do over here is I'm trying to give a delay after each writing to each pin. I'm having a delay, but let me just remove everything and put one delay over here. Okay, so let me just remove everything. Okay, so I'll just remove this guy also, right? And so this is what I have a delay, right? And I will also change the delay from here and put one delay only. Okay, so I have one delay over here, right? So let me quickly compile my code and let's see if everything is fine working. This is compiling my sketch, taking slightly more time to compile, and then finally I'll upload the sketch. So done compiling. I'll do one thing. Let me see if I have my monitor open. No. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to upload the sketch. Okay, so now if you can see over here, it is compiling. Okay, it will be start uploading the sketch, right? Done compiling. I'll start seeing now. If you can see, it's a blue color, if you guys can see, right? So if you see the value, right, so value it will start decrementing, if you can see over here, right? So it's basically it will go, and now the blue one. Okay, so blue one is basically and it starts fading out, and after blue it will take a value of red, right? Um and then finally it will take a value of green, right? So if you can see here, this start changing color after some time. Let me just be nearer. Okay, so still it is blue, right? It will start changing a color in some time, and you will start seeing the change in the color, right? So it became red as expected, right? Okay, now after some time it will start becoming and start changing its color again. Okay, so let's wait for some time, and then I'll show you the last color in this. Okay. So it start changing its color to green now. Slowly it will change the color to green, right? So it has now fully changed to a green color, right? Okay, and it will be green for some more time, right? And then it will start changing from green to red, right, as we have seen, and then from red to blue again. Okay, so now it is incrementing. If you see in my code base, there is a 2 loops. Okay, so one it is decreasing, so now it is changing to red, right? And then again it will change to blue. So now if you see this, it starts increasing and starts writing onto a pen. Now it is changing to red, if you can see, right? And then finally if you monitor the value, right, now it starts changing its color to red, and then finally it will change to blue. So start changing to blue, and finally when the value is 255, it will be blue again, right? So it went from blue to red to green, right? Okay, and this is what it is. Now it is completely becoming blue, right? It will, till the value of 255 is reached, it will become completely blue, and then it will again change to red and then change to green, right? So let's wait and see for some more time, and this is the round 2 which is happening. Okay, now it will start decreasing. It started decreasing. Okay, you will start seeing the blue color will be fading off. Okay, it started fading off after some time. Now the value is still 200 and odd, right? So it will once it starts fading off, you will see that color change, right? It will start off. Okay, so now it's starting off, right? If you can see here, it has reached to 130. Now it has changed color to red, and then at the value of somewhere around 112 or 115, it was red. Now at the level of 0, it will become totally green, right? So that is what it will happen, right? So it's becoming green. If you can see, it will, till the value of 0, you will find a complete green, or green is on, and then again it will start changing the color. So at the value of 0, it will be completely green. So now if you see, it is completely green at the value of 0, right? And again it starts changing to red, and so on and so forth, right? So this is what we wanted to cover as part of this sensor. We will explore this sensor with additional sensor in our next session. And thanks for joining this session. Stay tuned. Bye bye.